guys, today I'm going to be making slime with 2 ingredients, powdered sugar and mini marshmallows. Before we begin, please subscribe. Please subscribe to this video and put the notification on. Now let's go make some slime. First, you'll need some mini marshmallows. Oh, I knew. You can add how many you want to. Gosh, I won't come out. Okay, look how beautiful. So satisfying. And then we're gonna cook them up in the microwave. Guys, look at that! It's so... Oh, I just want to touch it. Oh my gosh! Let's mix this up. But mix it up a little bit. And then what you're going to do is pour some powdered sugar. 1 full cup of powdered sugar. Oh gosh. And then you'll start to mix. If you don't get that slime-like consistency, add a little bit more. Guys, it's so beautiful. It looks like orange. This is a really ugly color, but it's a peachy. Look at this, but be careful. It is really hot. So be careful while you're mixing. Look at it. Even though it was not the color that I turned out it to be. Then, when you're gonna touch it with your hands, it has to get that slime-like consistency. So put 1 more cup of powdered. Oh no! Put 1 more cup of powdered sugar. So 2 cups, really. And the more that you add in, the lighter it's gonna be. So look at that. It's so pretty. Whoa! Oh, it feels so good, and it's eatable too, guys. So, before you get done with that, put some powdered sugar on your hands and just rub it together. Gosh, it feels so good. Oh, and then you can touch your slime. It is beautiful, but be careful, it is really hot. But it is this nice and really cool peachy flavor. Oh gosh. Put it at me, Mama. So, this is what it turns out to be. So if it's not stretchy enough, you can put a little bit of... We'll get ready to do a slime reveal. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so beautiful. Woohoo! And put a little bit of powdered sugar on here. Woohoo! Guys, it is a little bit warm and it's so pokey. Woo! If you get... Oh my gosh, guys. It is so beautiful. So, when I told you I could eat it, look. You can prank somebody with this. So good. Okay, guys, this is your peachy slime color. If you want this peachy slime color, you are going to use great values mini fruit marshmallows to get this pretty color. If it's sticky, just add some more powdered sugar. But look how stretchy. Well, it's not really as stretchy, but Look how cool. Woo. If you don't want this to dry out, you can put it in a bowl and just let it sit. Hi. Bye guys. My name's Leila Dobbins. Please subscribe.
We're now about to witness the strength of street.